We'll guide you through how to make 𝗟𝗋 in VSDC. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, double-click the application to open it, and wait for the main interface to appear completely. Select the blank project option to create a new project. Change the project title to How to Make 𝗟𝗋 in VSDC. Next, adjust the project resolution, or leave it at the default settings as an example. Then, change the background color to white to make the 𝗟𝗋 easier to see while editing. Click the Finish button to enter the editing workspace. Next, click the Add Object menu at the top of the interface. Select the Line option, then choose Line again to insert a new line object into the project. Leave the object position settings at their default values, then click the OK button to continue. In the preview window, click twice to create the start and end points of the line. Go to the right side of the interface and change the pen color to black. Adjust the line until it is perfectly horizontal. Then increase the thickness value to 60 so it becomes clearly visible and suitable for an arrow shaft. Next, click the Free Shape option. Leave the object position settings at their default values, then click the OK button. Create 3 points in the preview window to form a simple triangle, then change its color to black so it matches the line. After that, double-click Free Shape 1 on the timeline to access its editable shape points. Carefully adjust the shape points until the triangle forms a clean arrowhead with the desired appearance. Position the arrowhead so it aligns correctly with the end of the horizontal line, creating a complete arrow shape. Once both objects are properly aligned, select the line and the arrowhead together in the preview window. Click the right Convert to Sprite and choose within Object's Resolution to combine both objects into a single sprite while preserving their dimensions. View the completed result to confirm that the 𝗟𝗋 has been created successfully in VSDC.